Alright, here we have it. Bike check number 2. Yeah, so let's start off with the front. I have a worn down Primo the wall tire. It's pretty bad, just gonna say that much. Single wall rim, stock spokes, stock hub. I found out it's a Quando hub, not a Mongoose hub, and it has this little cleaner thing. I have Kink Street 2 pegs. I ride a lot of dirt, that's why my bike is so dirty right now. Stock forks. They weigh, what did they weigh? They weigh 42.5 ounces, which is quite a lot for forks. Let's see. This sticker I found yesterday goes perfectly with my new gold frame. Blue fit high top stem. The light's on, sorry. There's a good shot. What are these? Fit Eddy 1 bars. Rasta Colt AK grips. Is it gonna... Oh, there's 2 different textures in the grip. Yep, stock frame, just painted gold this time. Oh, still an unsealed headset. Stock cranks. Duo Resolite PC pedals. Don't get them, they're horrible. Unsealed bottom bracket. Stock sprocket. It's non-spline drive. I also painted the chain, so it looks good. Gold on purple. Back tire. I don't know what kind of tire it is. I think it's a Mongoose because it came with the bike. Oh yeah, purple valve caps. Single wall rim in the back, like what's in the front. It's stock spokes, stock hub. I think this one's a Quando also, but I don't know. Oh yeah, that's a Colt half-link chain, if you didn't notice. Another Kink Street 2 peg. They're really nice pegs, they slide good. Mongoose seat. What else? I think that's actually it. I'll show you my new shoes. Nike Janowskis. They're Rasta. They're cool. Had them for about a week. Brakeless. No wear on the bottom yet. Yeah. So that's my bike. Oh yeah, and it's decently loud still. I don't know if it is anymore. And yeah, so like this video, share it with your friends, tell them not to get this bike because it's a horrible bike, and yeah, that's it. Peace.